keep you updated on developments in the capital and financial markets. Here's a recap of what happened. Singapore Exchange and OCBC launch low-carbon index that tracks Singapore's largest companies. Singapore Exchange and Overseas Chinese Banking Corporation have jointly launched the iEdge OCBC Singapore Low Carbon Select 50 Capped Index on the 14th of March. The index is said to be first of its kind, and will track the top 50 Singapore or globally listed companies domiciled or incorporated in Singapore based on their carbon intensity performance. Bank Negara, World Bank publish report on nature-related financial risks for Malaysian banks. Bank Negara Malaysia and World Bank have published a report on nature-related financial risks for Malaysian banks. The report, titled An Exploration of Nature-Related Financial Risks in Malaysia, analyzed local and global data to examine the relationship between the Malaysian financial sector and nature, as well as potential exposures to nature-related risks via banks' financing activities. The Securities and Exchange Board of India comes out with clarifications on transactions in mutual funds units. Markets regulator SEBI came out with certain clarifications on transactions in the units of mutual funds and has also given guidelines for authentication in case of redemption of units. The clarifications pertain to transactions in units of mutual funds on stock exchange platforms and also for entities including online platforms other than exchanges. U.S. Federal Reserve approves first interest rate hike in more than 3 years, sees 6 more ahead. The Federal Reserve on Wednesday the 16th of March, approved its first interest rate increase in more than 3 years, an incremental salvo to address spiraling inflation without torpedoing economic growth. After keeping its benchmark interest rate anchored near zero since the beginning of the COVID-19 pandemic, the policy-making Federal Open Market Committee said it will raise rates by a 0.25 percentage point, or 25 basis points. This has been the FIMM TV Weekly Recap. Be informed, stay updated, be sure to like, share and subscribe.